Haryana Board of School Education announced the HBSE Class 10 result 2024. KIIT World School, Gurugram hosts educational session on Good Touch, Bad Touch by Saath Chale Foundation. Bihar Class 11 special exam from 16th May check full schedule. Maharashtra Board Result 2024 date will be announced at mahasabod.in MSPSHSE. Grand Chess Tour 2024 R. Pragnananda beats Magnus Carlsen but remains third. Good afternoon, warm welcome. You are watching the Education News Network, where you get the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Shilpa reporting from the Education News Network. Today's stories are: Board of School Education, Bhiwani declared the HBSE Class 10 Board Exam results 2024 on 12 May 2024 at 12 noon, as per reports. Students can check the Haryana Board Results 2024 link on the official website, bseh.org.in. To check BSEH Results 2024, they need to enter their roll number and date of birth, DOB, in the login window. The overall pass percentage of Class 10 HBSE 2024 recorded as 95.22%. The board conducted the HBSE 10th exams from 27 February to 26 March 2024. Last year, the HBSE Class 10th result was declared on 16 May 2023, while the HBSE Class 12th results 2023 were declared on 15 May 2023. The Haryana Board Class 10th result 2024 will be announced on the official website, bseh.org.in. On Thursday, 9th May 2024, representatives from the Saath Chale Foundation founders Ms. Shalini Chaudhary, Ms. Seema Toma and clinical psychologist Dr. Sapna Bharadwaj visited KIIT World School, Gurugram to conduct an educational session for students of grades 1 to 3. The foundation's mission is to spread awareness about child safety and prevention. The session began with an interactive workshop on the concepts of good touch and bad touch. Through age-appropriate examples, stories and role-playing activities, the facilitators helped children understand the difference between safe and unsafe physical interactions. After the Good Touch and Bad Touch session, grade 4 to 5 students recited poems on mothers on the occasion of Mother's Day and received goodies from the foundation members. Overall, this was an important learning opportunity that equipped our young students with crucial personal safety skills in an age-appropriate manner. We thank the Saath Chale Foundation for their efforts towards child protection and empowerment. The Department of Education, Bihar today issued schedule for special annual exam for Class 11 students. This exam will be conducted for students who failed to qualify or were absent in the annual examination of Class 11 of the state's higher secondary schools. As per the special annual examination will be conducted from 16th May and conclude on 29th May. The exam will be conducted for 3 hours in 2 shifts. Shift 1 will be conducted from 10 am to 1 pm and the second shift exam will be held from 2 to 5 pm. Meanwhile, the Bihar Board Secondary Education, BSEB, Patna declared the BSEB Bihar Matric result of Class 10 in March. This year, the first division has been banked by 4,52,302 students, of which boys are 2,52,846 and girls are 1,99,456. The board also announced Class 12 results on 23rd March for 13,04,352 students. The Maharashtra State Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education, MSPSHSE, has issued a clarification for students waiting for their Class 10, 12 Maharashtra Board Result 2024. Students of classes 10, 12 parents teachers are informed that through social media attempts are being made to spread wrong information about the 10th, 12th result 2024. All concerned parties, however, should not believe such rumors. The result dates will be announced by the State Board on the official website https://mahasabod.in, the board stated in the official notice. Once released, students can check the result at the official websites mahasabod.in, myresult.nic.in and skrisult.mkcl.org. This notice was issued after several posts on social media platforms claimed several result dates. India's R. Pragnananda scored yet another victory over world number 1 Magnus Carlsen of Norway to keep himself afloat even as WEIE of China stretched his lead to a massive 2.5 points in the Superbet Rapid and Blitz Chess Tournament, a part of the Grand Chess Tour. With 9 rounds still to come in the Blitz event, WEIE has amassed 20.5 points with 7 wins on the first day of Blitz. ending the day with 7.5 out of a possible 9. Yi seems like a man possessed and unless a hurricane hits him, is poised to win the first leg of the Grand Chess Tour. Carlsen, on 18, is a distant second at this point, and the main reason behind that is Praggnanandhaa, who has been beating the world number 1 often these days in the faster version of the game. Praggnanandhaa, however, is far behind the leaders with 14.5 points, which makes it literally a two-horse race for the title. In fourth spot is Arjun Erigaisi on 14 points, while Dura Jan Krzysztof of Poland is right behind him on 13. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.educationnewsnetwork. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.